Okay, everyone, welcome back to the channel. And this is our currency trade of the week based on structure. AUDNZD is an amazing pair for you to trade heading into the next couple of days. And hey, guess what? If you are not yet in the trading club, but you just want to sit back here on YouTube, if we get 100 likes on this video, I'm going to do this weekly for you to give you the currency trade of the week. So hit that like button and also share that video. Okay, so let's go over why we're here. Okay, we had this huge impulsive candle come up above this level. Okay, we can definitely see that there. Okay, then we had price react down to retest this level. We can see that there. And then we've gone back up here. And if you look over to the left, we came right back up to this well-known area of structure. Okay, we've only been above that level twice. Okay, in the history of this pair here. So we are looking to take a scalp position down. Those folks in the trading club are already in a sell position, and that's the advantage of trading with me in the trading club. But I wanted to give my YouTube community some value here. And the blue lines represent where you should be taking some profits or protecting your trade along the way. Okay, we are expecting this to come down. And again, if we look at a Fibonacci level, okay, you might expect, okay, maybe some possible rejection right around that 61.8, which is right around that third take profit area. And then you might see a bounce up. So what does that mean? That means is that we do not continue or think about going further down to take out this liquidity, okay, unless we close a 4-hour candle below the bottom line. In the meantime, you have a great opportunity here to grab your 20 pips for the day, probably tonight or tomorrow. Happy trading. Don't forget to hit that like. And if you are brand new to this channel, subscribe and see you on our next currency trade of the week.